Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Promo AI account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Promo AI account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address promo.com and hit on enter. And over here guys, this is the home page of the Promo AI. Now in order to log into your account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the login button available over here. In order to sign into your Promo account, first click on that login button, and over here guys, you can see an automated login over here and a manual login over here, and you can see at the top of this panel where it says the continue with Google or continue with Facebook. If you click on either of these buttons, a login page to your Google or Facebook will open, and if you sign into your respective accounts, either Google or Facebook that is, you will also be logged into your Promo AI account with your Google or Facebook account depending upon which you chose. And with that being said guys, let's enter our email address with which we had signed up for a Promo AI account, and after that enter your password guys. But guys, if you've forgotten your password, you can always set it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your account's password. And with that being said guys, after entering your email address and password, simply click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Promo AI account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how you log into your Promo AI account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.